Okay, now that we've got all our elements together, it's time to put together our final drink. So we've got our pineapple Old Tom gin here using Gomme Arabic as the thickening agent, and our Sipsmith London Dry Gin. So a good 60 mils of this. Just pour it over some fresh ice. Then we're just going to top that up with some soda water. So remembering this is a bit of a modern take on an old classic of Tom Collins. And we're just going to mix this together. Because of that Gomme Arabic in there, it is a lot heavier than the water, so it is going to sink to the bottom. So you just want to make sure that is combined with the rest of your cocktail. You don't want your guests to take their first sip and just get soda water. And then the final ingredient, that added texture, is our rosemary and sea salt air. So we're just going to lay this onto the top, like so. And there we have it. We've got our pineapple Old Tom Collins with Sipsmith London Dry and a rosemary and sea salt air. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. It's been a pleasure sharing with you some of our recipes from here at BYRDI for you to make at home. And stay tuned for some more Suntory Blends of the Virtual World workshops.